Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you like builds like this, consider subscribing to the channel and hit that like button. Now, a great story behind this car. I was not trying to buy this car in the middle of the world, this country. I was trying to purchase this box truck. It's my first box truck ever. I was starting my logistics business and I bought the truck on an online auction. After winning the auction, I was just online casually looking at cars like all other car lovers do and car addicts do. I already had an MR2 at the time, as a matter of fact, but I wanted a V6 MR2. I mean, after the experience I had of driving in one, I just knew I wanted to have a V6 MR2. And lo and behold, I found somebody in the forum offering this car. So here's some pictures of my MR2 that I had at the time. It was a stock 3S GTE with some bolt-ons, nothing crazy, but it was a great experience. I downloaded the car. It was on a standalone AAM computer. Now this MR2 was going to be a completely different experience. This is actually my third one, but this will be my first V6 turbo that I've ever had. This is a 1MZ with a fully built bottom end, Mega Squirt version 2 computer. The funny thing about this is that you're probably wondering how I got the car in the box truck to begin with. Mind you, this is my first box truck, never driven a box truck this size before. So I'm kind of the adventurous guy. You probably could tell by this video. The person I was buying the car from did not have a lift or any way for me to lift the car into the truck. I was actually able to back up my truck, drop the lift gate right in front of his property and roll the car in. I wish I had that video, but you gotta believe me. There's literally just three of us just rolled the car into my box truck. And I just knew that when I get back to New York, I'll be able to find some tow truck company or a tow truck driver driving around and just ask him, hey, would you be willing to, take this car out of my truck if I paid you? And I just happened to find the perfect person who has been doing it for a while. That's good? All right. I'm out of my box truck, 26-foot box truck, was rolled in there to get towed out. Oh, you're gonna do the cable, right? You're gonna do the cable. You're gonna do the cable.
Yeah, right. Well,
with the machine, you're trying to control it.
Now I'm gonna let the machine bring it down.
Do its job. Right here in the middle of the street, man. Right, I'm gonna tell you. Doesn't have a lip yet. Ooh, if I had a lip, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just clearance. Everybody looking. They're like, yo, they wanna see what kind of car this is. They all wanna know. So on the way On the way right now to DRT. Check out the one and only Ralphie to get this monster tuned. No passenger seat. I got my charger right there. Got my water right here.
Turn left at I.
You hear the power right there in the back, right? I got gas. And I'm ready to go. What's this guy cussing over me? What are you doing? What are you doing? Speaking of Uber drivers, yo. These guys want no problems. I don't want no problems. So here's the motor while it's being put together. Dude did a decent job. I mean, pretty good job putting this motor together. I know I wouldn't be able to do it. It's not my area of expertise. I don't have the skills and talent. But my friend from Pro Finish did an amazing job making this car shine as best as possible. And, you know, just giving it that look that it needed, that glossy look. You know, black, you gotta let it be glossy. Hold on. One more time.
This shit makes no problem.
You heard that? You heard that, Harrison? You did a good job. So if you want to see how much power my MR2 made in the dyno, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification button as well so you can see my next video coming out soon.